Hi, we're gonna go over the pruning function. Pruning is done to clean up all the empty directories of the file store folder in business objects. And since we have input file repository and output file repository, we're gonna quickly take a snap of before and after. We have about 5,500 folders in output repository and about 21,000 folder in input file repository folder. So it's basically we'll have to add a command called prune at the end of the input and output file repository servers, and this is how to do it. Simply stop the server and double click on it, and all the way at the end of it just type in a dash prune and dash trace. Actually, if you type that in, it keeps a log of it. We'll talk about that at the end. Go ahead and start, and it's gonna say starting, and it's gonna stay in that starting state until it goes through all the directories, and we'll close that and we'll go ahead and reopen these CCM once again, and you'll see it's gonna be in a the color of the icon will be yellow. It's starting at the back, and it's really going through each of the empty directories, actually all of the directories, to find out the empty directories. And you could also do the output file repository server at the same time. You can stop that, and at the end here you're looking at, I guess, the activity. It's taking 48%, 46%, so it is working. It is going through all the folders. So go ahead and let's do the output file repository. Same way, dash prune and dash trace, and again we'll go over the log files later on. Start that, and input file repository, I know obviously it's going to take a little longer time because it has 21,000 folders as opposed to output file repository having only 5,500. Oh, so it seems input file is done, so it says stopped. So now it's not gonna, you have to go back and now remove that prune command so that it can start. Same thing with output file repository server, and let's do that. Same with here. And we're going to start both of them, and they're up. And now let's see the sizes, folder size. Yeah, input file repository has about 16,000, and output file repository now has 2,600. So now you've seen the dramatic decrease in size after the prune command.